decided from my class 10 that engineering is the best way I can pursue mathematics and physics. And also I was very curious about computer and all.
सींचा है मैंने किरणों को धीरे धीरे हौले हौले उड़ना है आसमानों में छूना है उन तारों को.
गरिबी होती खूप. मग त्यांना ते शिकायचंच म्हणला. मग शिकायचं म्हणल्यास आमची परिस्थिती नव्हती. तरी पण आम्ही दोघांनी त्यांनी JCB चालवत गेले. आडरानात पडत राहिले 30 वर्ष. मग मी काम करत राहिले मोलमजुरी.
Financial condition was so bad that I had to work with my parents with others farm as a labor. That part little hurt me, and at that time I thought like this is what I don't want to do.
सपने जो बसे हैं बरसों से दिल में मेरी पूरी करने की आशा है आज मुझे. देखा है सपनों को संवरते हुए.
वाटलं तर आपलं लेकरू इथं मराठी असून किती पुढे गेले, कसं बोलाले, त्यांच्यासोबत कशी त्यांची ओळख झाली असेल, ते कसं वाटाले असं मधून असंही वाटत.
I want to do something in my life for rural part of India, rural student, because there is so much potential in them, but they don't get any exposure and they don't even realize what they are missing out on. In Marathi, there is a saying, देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे, देता देता देणाऱ्याने घेणाऱ्याचे हात घ्यावे, which means the one who is giving should give continuously, and at one point the one who is taking take the responsibility of giving. And this thought resonates with FFE's circle of giving, and that's a godly thought.